In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the Made in Framer badge from your website. This badge appears by default on free Framer sites, but there are simple ways to remove it depending on your plan. The official method is to upgrade to a paid plan, such as the Mini or higher. Once your plan is upgraded, open your project and navigate to Project Settings, Branding. Here, you'll see the option labeled Made with Framer. Simply toggle it off and republish your site. The badge will no longer appear. Another way to remove the badge is by connecting a custom domain. When you connect your own domain and republish your site, the badge is automatically removed, even if you're on a lower plan. For users on the free plan who want to hide the badge without upgrading, it's possible to use a CSS code override to hide it. This method is a bit more technical, but gives you control over the badge visibility. By following these steps, you can make your Framer site look more professional and fully branded without the default attribution showing at the bottom of your pages.